Welcome to my channel Z Tech viewers. In this video I am going to show you how you can download audacity audio adjusting software for your computer or PC or laptop. So firstly open any desired browser that you want to use or that you desire to use. So I will use Google Chrome as I love to use it. Then simply go to the search tab and here you can write audacity 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 free download. After that you have to simply go to the first link of www.audacityteam.org link, downloading link, and here you can click on it. After that you have to scroll down and you can see the download audacity free audacity editor for Windows, Mac OS or Linux for our downloaded partner for hub, and here is a link. You have to simply click on that. After clicking the link you have to scroll down and here there are many types of software that website provide. Like for audacity they provide audacity source, Linux app, image, Mac OS, and here you can download according to your PC requirement. As I am going to download 32-bit zip, I will simply click on it and here my setup has been appeared, so I will download file info will be appear and I will simply click on start download. So click on the start download for downloading, and here it is, our audacity audio editing software is downloading. As you can see audacity is downloading. Audacity has been downloaded and it's up to 99.9% and it is going to be completed as 100% download. So it is going to be complete. After that the audacity has been downloaded. I will simply go to my computer and to the downloads, and here I will go to simply to the compressed files, and here is an audacity zip file. I will simply right click and click on the extract audacity zip file, and here it is start extracting. After that I will simply open this audacity extract file, and here it is the application. I will simply just install, double click on that and install on it. Audacity project file are not currently associated with Audacity. Yes, I will simply double click on it and it will checking for updates and try to accepting their terms and condition. So we will simply accept that term and condition by pressing OK, and here we can simply press OK, and here it is, our audacity has been installed, and here we can use for installing used obacity. This is the simplest method to install obacity or used obacity software. If you have any problem you can comment below, or you can write in a comment. I will try to solve it.